Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? I'm Sam.
Isaac.
This is Drop Motorsports.
Go, 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 go!
Drop. Yeah. Drop.
Alright, what's up, guys? This week I am at a real drag strip for the first time in my life. And it is like Sport Compact Day or something like that. Just a bunch of rice burners and shit, so should be a fun day. I'm gonna go get teched in and get a helmet and get after it. Just got teched in. I'm gonna run my first qualifying time, whatever. A lot of cool cars out here. I'll try to record what I can, but I'm gonna be busy running a helmet actually for the first time, so get after it. Sport Compact Day should be called Honda Day because it is Honda gang out here. There are so many nice Integras and shit. Hell yeah, today should be so fun.
That guy just dropped a little fluid in the race, so we gotta clean up for a few minutes.
Slicks are about flat. There's some real cars out here. This is sick. Alright guys, so the news is consistency is there, but I'm not gonna run a 14 today. I got a 15.79 was my first run, 15.8, 15.74, 15.85, so I'm running pretty much the same run on everything, reaction time, 60 foot, everything, so I'm gonna rest for a little bit, watch some cars, and then try to go at her again. Alright, so I did 4 runs, got a cheeseburger and a Gatorade. I'm ready to go back out, and I'm an asshole because I didn't bring any GoPro mounts. So I'm gonna try to figure out a way to set my GoPro up so you guys can actually see one of my races. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna figure something out, and then I'll be back out racing. Alright guys, I'm about to race this Evo 8 right here. Exciting shit. Alright, first time missing third gear. I ran 16 something. So I lost 0.3 seconds because I jammed her into third twice, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna try to ride the clutch a little more on the takeoff because I've been dumping it a little too hard. I think I'm gonna just let the clutch eat a little bit more of it because the tires are pretty sticky, so I'm gonna try that now. All right, so the last one, I let the clutch eat more than the tires, and I missed third gear and I ran a 15.5. So I'm gonna try to do that again without missing gear and see if I can get like a 15.4, 15.3, something like that. That'd be cool. All right, this is gonna be my 15.4 run, and I'm gonna call it. Otherwise, I'm gonna go one more time and do a solid 10 runs for today, but this is number 9, we'll see. Guys, I've done 9 runs. I have 2 sheets that are exactly the same time, like 15.5 something. This has been so fun today. People everywhere. This is sweet. All right, here we go. Better on that one. I got like a 15.8. It was my best race all day because I was against a car that was pretty close to mine. But that was number 10. I said I was gonna only do 10, but I'm gonna hit one more pass just to see. And if I like it, I'll end on a good note. All right, guys, last race of the day. I'm pretty sure. Guys, so I just returned my helmet. I had so much fun today. I made 11 passes that I have timesheets for. I might put some of those in this video, whatever. But it was way cool out here for sure. I'm definitely gonna be coming back. Had a really good time. So that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, comment. See you next time.
Thanks for watching.